Good morning, students. I am your English teacher, and today I will teach you punctuation marks. Yes, students, practice brings perfection. You all know about this. Uh, we are going to practice of punctuation marks now. So here is a worksheet for you of punctuation marks, and we have to put the punctuation mark each and every at the end of the each and every sentence. Okay, students, first of all we will read out the worksheet what we have to do in this worksheet. Okay, students. Yes, and the sentences with correct punctuation mark. Yes, students, we have to end the sentences with correct punctuation mark. Means we have to put correct punctuation mark at the end of each sentence. Yes, students, I had taught you about the punctuation marks, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation mark, and commas. है ना? So now we have to put correct punctuation mark at the end of each sentence. How? First of all, we will read the sentence. Did you say the meeting is now? Did you say the meeting is now? Yes, students. First of all, we have to recognize the type of sentence. What is the type of sentence? Okay. Yes. Did you say the meeting is now? Yes, students. If the sentence start with, if the sentence starts with did, do, does, है ना, with the helping verb, then it is a question. Okay, it is a interrogative sentence. That's why we put question mark at the end of sentence. This type of sentence is an interrogative sentence, means a question. This is a question because it starts with helping verb did. Okay, it starts with did. That's why it is a question, and it tells it is asking something about. Okay, so we will put a question mark at the end of this sentence like this. Clear to all? Now we will read the next one. It was my favorite movie. It was my favorite movie. Yes. First of all, we have to recognize the sentence. है ना? What the type of sentence is? Is it? It was my favorite movie. It was my favorite movie. Yes, yes, students. I had told you types of sentences. है ना? If the sentence asking something, then it is asking sentence, and we call it interrogative or question. है ना? If the sentence telling something about, then we call it telling sentences, that is declarative sentences, है ना? We call it also declarative. So asking sentence always ends with question mark, and telling sentence always ends with full stop. So student, telling sentences means telling sentences tells us about something, है ना, किसी के बारे में बताता है, and this sentence gives us information something about. So we will put a full stop at the end of sentence. Why? Because it is a telling sentence. It gives us information. Okay. Now third one is God bless you. God bless you. Yes, students, this is a sentence, but this is not a telling sentence and not an asking sentence. Okay, in this sentence tells us that someone is giving wishes, है ना? Someone is giving wishes. So when we have any wishes in a sentence, then we put a exclamation mark. Okay, God bless you. Then we put exclamation mark at the end of that type of sentence. Clear to all? God bless you. God bless you means when someone gives us some wishes, है ना? Then we put exclamation mark. This sentence tells us someone is giving us wishes. Next one is Kate was playing with his brother. Kate was playing with his brother. This sentence gives us information about Kate because Kate was playing with his brother. Kate अपने भाई के साथ खेल रही थी. Kate was playing with his brother. So that's why we will put a full stop. Why? Because this is a telling sentence. This is a declarative sentence, assertive sentence, and it gives us information something about. Okay, about Kate. Next is your birthday in January? Is your birthday in January? Yes, students, this sentence starts with a helping verb. Is a helping verb, no? So this sentence is an asking sentence. This sentence asks something about. This sentence asks about your birthday, है ना? Is your birthday in January? क्या आपका बर्थडे जनवरी में है? So this sentence is an interrogative sentence. This sentence is an asking sentence. That's why we put question mark. Always remember it, students. When we have a sentence that starts with that it is starting with helping verb, it means that is an asking sentence. That is an interrogative sentence. Okay, students. Now we will read the next one. She is writing an essay. She is writing an essay. Yes, students. Let's find out. What the type of sentence is it? Yes, she is writing an essay. This sentence gives us information about someone, है ना? That she is writing an essay. वो क्या कर रही है? She is writing an essay. वो essay write कर रही है. So this sentence gives us information. This sentence is telling something. So that's why we will put a full stop. Okay. And you all know about the students. Yes, I have taught you about the capital letters. When we have proper noun, then we put a capital letter, है ना? Then we make the first letter capital of that proper noun. So January is a proper noun. That's why we will make the first letter capital of January, as it is the first letter of the word in the beginning of the sentence. We make capital. Okay. Next sentence is what a movie. What a movie. This sentence expresses a surprise. This sentence expresses surprise. That's why we put exclamation mark. Why? Because when we have a sentence that expresses surprise, a strong feeling about someone, then we put exclamation mark. You know na about this rule? When we have a sentence that expresses surprise, that expresses strong feeling of someone, then we put exclamation mark. So this sentence expresses strong feeling about a movie. What a movie! क्या movie थी? क्या movie है? That's why we put exclamation mark at the end of this type of sentence. Now we will then read the next one. It was a chance to see the principal. It was a chance to see the principal. Yes, students. Again, this sentence tells us about something, है ना? This sentence gives us information something about. That's why we put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Next one is it is great. It is great. Again, this sentence expresses a strong feeling. That's why we put exclamation mark. ये भी strong feeling हमें show कर रहा है, express कर रहा है. It is great. It is truly great. That's why we put exclamation mark. कोई भी चीज हमें अच्छी लगती है, then we say what a movie, what a weather today, है ना? Then we say what a weather today, what a pencil, what a movie, what a cycle, है ना? तभी कोई चीज अच्छी लगती है. Then we say what a movie, what a pencil, what a eraser. कभी कोई चीज अच्छी लगती है, then it is great. तभी कोई चीज अच्छी लगती है, तभी हम it is a great भी बोलते हैं. Then it shows feelings, it shows surprise, it shows strong feeling of someone. Okay, then we will put exclamation mark at the end of this type of sentence. The last one is how old was Kate last year? How old was Kate last year? Yes, students, this sentence asking about asking about the Kate that how old was Kate last year, कि वो पिछले साल कितने साल की थी. And this sentence starts with question word, है ना. This sentence starting with question word. This sentence is starting with question word. How is a question word. How is from WH family. That's why it is a sentence. It is an asking sentence. That's why we put a question mark. ये सेंटेंस हमारा इंटरोगेटिव है, आस्किंग है, बिकॉज दिस सेंटेंस आस्किंग समथिंग अबाउट केट कि हाउ ओल्ड वाज केट लास्ट ईयर, पिछले साल वो कितने साल की थी. That's why we put question mark at the end of this type of sentence. So student, this is the worksheet for you. You have to do in your notebook and keep doing practice of punctuation marks daily and keep reading, keep doing your work. Stay home, keep safe at your home. So bye bye students.